Luke Skywalker helmet. I feel like this should be apostrophe S. It is his helmet. I believe it is the helmet. That it's a chin strap. Nice addition, I believe. A little microphone. A lot better than my Boba Fett helmet. These helmets are not the best. I don't think coloring could be more interesting or vibrant in my opinion. Here we go in the light. On the stand. I forgot to show Luke Skywalker engraving up close. Key. Upper angled view. Not much to say. Some of the curve is hard to form, but it's kind of like that for the helmet models or the busts. That's okay.